Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to work out some problems in gravimetric analysis. That is, you are seeing the problems and calculations in gravimetric methods. How we are going to calculate the amount of substance present in the particular solution by using gravimetric analysis. Let us take an example. Here I have given a problem. In this problem, I read out the problem. The problem says, in a gravimetric method or gravimetric estimation of chloride as AgCl, 20 ml of chloride solution gave 0.2866 gram of precipitate. Calculate the amount of chloride in 1 liter of the solution. In this problem, they are given the estimation of chloride as using, I am precipitating as silver chloride, which means estimation of chloride as silver chloride. In this, we have the equation Ag plus is combined with in the estimation and gives silver chloride precipitate. In the problem they are given, in this estimation, the 20 ml of chloride solution gave 0.2866 gram of the precipitate. The amount of precipitate is this 0.2866 gram. The amount of precipitate formed as 0.2866 gram means what is the amount of the chloride present in the solution. This is what we are going to estimate in this. For this, we have to know here the 1 mole of Ag plus combined with the 1 mole of chloride ion and gives 1 mole of AgCl. Therefore, 1 mole of AgCl contains 1 mole of chloride ions, which means 1 chloride ion combines with 1 silver ion gives a AgCl. So we know the formula weight of AgCl because 1 mole, that is equal to the molar mass of AgCl. So we should know the atomic weight of silver ion, so ionic weight of silver ion and the ionic weight of chloride. So here the weight of silver is silver is, here we have Ag plus Cl minus. So we have to add the ionic mass of these two things. Ag plus, the atomic mass of or the ionic mass of silver ion is 107.8 gram, and for chloride 35.45 gram. So this much of the AgCl contains 1 mole of chloride ion, that is 35.45 gram of chloride ion. This much of AgCl contains 35.45 gram of Cl minus. Then if you want to find out, here we have given, here in the problem given, the formed precipitate contains 0.2866 gram of AgCl. Right? The 1 mole of AgCl contains 1. So if you add these two things, you will get the value, that is 143.32 gram of AgCl contains 35.45 gram of chloride ion. If the 143.32 gram of AgCl contains 35.45 gram of chloride ion, means how much amount of chloride ion present in 0.2866 gram of AgCl precipitate. That is what we are going to find out. For that, 0.2866 gram of AgCl contains, that is equal to, we know the molecular mass of AgCl, 143.32 gram of AgCl contains 35.45 gram of Cl, and AgCl means what is the amount of the chloride present in this much amount of AgCl. So we have to multiply. If we multiply this is with this value, we will get the answer for this. Not this, 0.2866 gram of AgCl contains how much chloride ion. If we solve this, we will get the amount of chloride present in this much amount of AgCl. If we solve this, we will get the value, that is equal to 0.07089 gram of chloride. In this problem, we found that 0.2866 gram of AgCl contains 0.07089 gram of Cl minus. Here we have used a factor. This is, we know this is a factor. This is the formula weight of the substance to be estimated, and this is the formula weight of substance to be weighed. Here we are weighing, in this estimation we are weighing the AgCl precipitate. From this precipitate we are estimating the amount of Cl minus ion. This factor is called gravimetric factor. Already in the early classes we have discussed about gravimetric factor. So I am saying that where we are using the gravimetric factor during the estimation in gravimetric analysis. So now we know the amount of Cl present in 0.2866 gram of AgCl. This 0.2866 gram of AgCl is present in 20 ml of, so that is given by 20 ml of chloride solution. This much amount of AgCl is given by 20 ml of chloride ion. If the 20 ml of chloride ion gives this much amount of AgCl, means, so what is the amount of chloride ion present in 1 liter of the solution? In this we need the amount of chloride present in 1 liter of the solution. So here we know that 20 ml of chloride gives this much amount of AgCl precipitate, so that the 20 ml of chloride ion is having 0.07089 gram of Cl minus. Then if the 20 ml of chloride solution contains, here we know 0.07089 gram of chloride ion. Then what is the amount of 100 ml of, what is the amount of chloride present in 1000 ml of the solution, that is 1 liter. 1000 ml of solution or the chloride solution contains, we know 20 ml contains 0.07089 gram of chloride ion. So what is the amount of chloride present in 1000 ml of the chloride solution? So just we have to multiply this is with 1000 ml, then we are getting the value. If you solve this, you are getting the value that is equal to 3.545 gram. Here the 3.545 gram is the amount of chloride ion present in the 1000 ml, that is 1 liter. Therefore, the amount of chloride ion present in 1 liter, that is equal to 3.545 gram. So we have calculated, we found the solution for this problem. Now let us see the another one example like this. Here it is the next problem. In this problem, I read the question. In a gravimetric estimation of sulfate as barium sulfate, 20 ml of sulfate solution gave 0.1267 gram of precipitate. Calculate the amount of sulfate in 1 liter of the solution. So we are going to find out the solution for this problem. Here they are given in this problem, the estimation is given as sulfate as barium sulfate. Here we are going to estimate the sulfate by precipitating sulfate as barium sulfate, so that the sulfate present in the solution combines with the barium ion and gives barium sulfate. So here the amount of precipitate we are getting in 20 ml of sulfate solution is 0.1267 gram. 20 ml of sulfate solution gives the 0.126 gram of the precipitate. The precipitate formed as here as barium sulfate. So the amount of precipitate formed using 20 ml of sulfate is 0.1267 gram. So and then, see in this 1 mole of barium sulfate is formed by using 1 mole of sulfate ion, so that 1 mole of barium sulfate contains 1 mole of sulfate ion. That is, we can say this is in the ionic mass. Here we can take molecular mass, which means here we have 1 barium sulfate and 4 oxygen. The atomic weight of the barium is, that is 137.34. 1 barium contains, here we can calculate, we want to calculate the molecular mass of the barium, the atomic mass of barium is 137.34 gram, and then we have the sulfate. This for the sulfate we have that is 32.06, and then here we have 4 oxygens. Each oxygen gets the atomic mass is equal to 16. 16 gives, if we add this, we are getting, it is 233.4 gram. 4. So each barium sulfate has, so that the 1 mole of the barium sulfate is equal to 233.4 gram. So 233.4 gram of barium sulfate contains, so then we will calculate the mass of sulfate ion. In sulfate ion we have only one sulfate, that is equal to 32.06. There are 4 oxygens. Here again 16 into 4, that gives, we have to add these values only, 230. If you multiply this and add these values, then you are getting 233.4, and 4 into 16 gives, so what is the value? Here is that is equal to 4 into 16, 32, and 64, you get 96.06 gram of sulfate. So this much amount of 96.06, 233.4 gram of barium sulfate contains 96.06 gram of sulfate. We know. Here in the question they asked, that is, calculate the amount of sulfate present in 1 liter of the solution. Here 20 ml of sulfate solution gave 0.1267 gram of the precipitate. The precipitate formed here is barium sulfate. Here we know 233 gram of barium sulfate contains 96 gram of sulfate ion. So if it contains like this, how much amount of the sulfate present in 0.1267 gram of barium sulfate. If you go for this 0.1267 gram of barium sulfate contains how much? So we know that 233.4 gram of barium sulfate contains 96.06 gram of sulfate ion. If it contains 233 gram of barium sulfate contains 96 gram of sulfate ion means, then what is the amount of sulfate present in this much amount of barium sulfate? If we multiply this value with the precipitate amount, then we will get the amount of sulfate present in 0.1267 gram of sulfate. If you solve this, you are getting the value that is equal to 0.05215 gram of sulfate. So this amount is this amount present in this much amount of barium sulfate. So here this amount of barium sulfate is formed in 20 ml of sulfate solution only. So that the 20 ml of sulfate solution contains 0.05215 gram of sulfate ion. Therefore, what is the amount of sulfate present in 1 liter of the solution? We can work out how we have worked out in the last problem. Here we know in 1000 ml of sulfate contains, that is equal to, we know 20 ml contains 0.05215 gram of the sulfate. What is the amount of sulfate present in 1000 ml? If you multiply this, we will get the value for this problem. You multiply this, you get the value that is equal to 2.607 gram of sulfate in 1 liter. Therefore, the amount of sulfate present in 1000 ml is equal to 2.607 gram. So we got the solution for this problem. The question asked us to calculate the amount of sulfate in 1 liter of the solution. That is, here the sulfate present in the 1 liter of solution is equal to 2.607 gram. Like this, we can estimate the amount of the ions or the substance present in the solution by using gravimetric analysis. So this is the calculation part. We have done this calculation part by using problems. So I hope you understood how to calculate the amount of substance present in the solution. Now let us discuss another topic, that is applications of gravimetric analysis. In our syllabus they have given, we are going to discuss about, these are the applications: detection of potassium ion, and the separation of copper and cadmium, and then we have estimation of nickel using oxide, that is the precipitating agent, and estimation of aluminium using oxide as the precipitating agent. About the applications of gravimetric analysis, we shall discuss in the next class in detail. Here also, in this problem, in the second problem, here also we got the gravimetric factor. This is, here 96 gram is the weight of the substance. That is the formula weight of the substance to be estimated and divided by the formula weight of the substance is to be weight, that is barium sulfate. So this factor is called gravimetric factor. So if you know the gravimetric factor, if the gravimetric factor is multiplied with the amount of the substance, precipitated, is multiplied with the gravimetric factor, we will get the value of the amount of the particular ion or the substance present in the solution. Likewise, we can calculate the ions or the substance present in the solution gravimetrically. Thank you.